Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantinos Tech. The day is finally here. It is new iPhone day. And I just got mine delivered. I ended up going with the iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium, 256 gigabyte. In my event recap, which you can watch here, I talked about how the regular iPhone 16 got a lot more upgrades than the Pro did. But it's missing one of the most important specs that I honestly can't live without. And yes, I know I'm spoiled. And that is a high refresh rate screen. Apple, it's 2024. Bring the high refresh rates to the regular model. I don't want to talk about the specs of this phone in detail. I just want to get to the unboxing, install my screen protector, and start using the device. The main reasons I did upgrade though were three things. First and foremost, bigger battery. The iPhone 15 Pro, although it was a great device, didn't have the best battery. Two, bigger screen. I always wanted a little bit of a bigger screen without jumping to the Plus or Pro Max size. And last but not least, and honestly most importantly, there was great carrier incentives from T-Mobile and all the carriers really. You can check out this video here to see how to get the best trade-in deal through your carrier. I'm not gonna do a full review of the phone right now, but I'm gonna be doing something that I haven't done in a very long time, and that is a full reset and a fresh install. I'm not gonna bring over my apps, just my text messages and photos, and just get to use iOS 18 on a new device and make a few new customizations and use the device with a fresh start. It may take me a few days, but there will be a follow-up video. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's get to this unboxing. All right, pretty minimal packaging. One thing I heard, which I'm not excited to see, is that there are no stickers in this device. I mean, we've had stickers in boxes since the very first iPhone, so that's quite upsetting. We've got some pull tabs over here for the ASMR crowd. One more down here. And let's check this out. That looks great. Ooh, I love it. As you can see, I went with the natural titanium. We've got the new button, the camera control right there. Action button, volume. I'm happy with this color. A bit lighter than last year, but I like it. The rest of the box, we have braided iPhone cable, and my worst fears come true. No stickers. I've been going with the Taurus screen protector. I used it on my 15 Pro and you know, I have absolutely loved it. It held up really well. It's been a great screen protector. Since this does have wrapper, I can use the jerry rig everything orange knife, do a little unbox. Now, this is not a review of the Taurus screen protector, but the reason why I do like it is that number one, it comes with two of them in case you mess up. But number two, the reason that I like it is that it comes with this really awesome self-adhesion kit with two screen protectors, as well as some cleaning materials and instructions. So let's put that off to the side. Even the screen protector comes with something fun. Come on, Apple, why no stickers? Those bezels are tiny, from what I can tell. We are all set. Here she is with a screen protector installed. Nice natural titanium color. It is not as fingerprinty as I was expecting, so I like that. It's like a very light gray, and it's not a brushed titanium look. It's a new type, but I think it looks great. Let's pop this in the case and I'll give some final thoughts. All right, so I've got the iPhone 16 Pro in the lake green silicone case. And you know, it looks just so awesome. Like I said in my other video, You can see it here. I picked up this case because I wanted to have the camera control cutout. I take good care of my phones, but I also just want to make sure that everything is protected. When comparing it to my 15 Pro, it's a very small size difference, but you can feel it. So I'm really happy about that. First impressions are great. I'm gonna go set this up, and I'm excited to come back and share my thoughts. This is Konstantinos with Konstantinos Tech. Thanks for tuning in.